So good afternoon to all. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Good
So
afternoon.
I'll do that question. 1 minute. Okay, children, I'll do that question. Radius is 3.5, right? 3.5. So I already told you how to write it. I told you to write it as 7/2, right? Isn't it?
Ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
So volume equal to 2/3 pi r cube equal to 2/3 into 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 into 7/2. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So cancel it. 7 will get cancelled. 2 also. And this to 11. So 11 into 7 into 7/3 into 2, right? Okay, and you got the answer how much?
539/6.
539 by
6.
6, correct. 539 by 6. And it is 89.8. Just check whether this answer is same. Check the answer. Okay.
Got the same answer.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I got same answer.
Yes, 89.8 itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you, let me see. Hello, children. Did you get 89.8? Hello. Answer me.
Yes,
Devasena. Start video. All of you.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So it is 89.8. And just check, we had done 11.2 radius 11.2 question. Find the volume of sphere of radius 11.2. Just check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the answer? 5,887, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am.
we'll do the next question. Question is, a short put. A short put. Short put. Short put is a metallic sphere. Is a metallic sphere. Is a metallic sphere of radius 4.9 centimeter. Of radius 4.9 centimeter. If the density of the metal is if the density of the metal is the density of the metal is if the density of the metal is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube, find the mass of the shot put. Find the mass of the shot put. Mass of the shot put. Find the mass of the shot put. Find the mass of the shot put. See children, what do you mean by mass, weight and all? See, one bag full of, its bag's capacity, suppose it is 3 kilogram. Okay, a bag full of cotton. And same another bag full of some metal, iron. Okay, which bag has more weight, mass, cotton and iron?
Metal.
Metal. That means it depends upon the material, depends upon the substance. Cotton's density is low and the substance, the mass of weight also very low. That is why it is different. Even though the capacity of the bag is same, 3 kilogram, but the weight of the bag depends on the material it contains. Clear? The same way, a shot put is in the metal is a metallic sphere of radius 4.9 centimeter. If the density of the metal is 7.8 gram, you have to find the volume and multiply by the density. Then only you will get the mass of the shot put. Clear? So first of all, you should find the volume, then into 7.8. Clear, children? So some questions, only this much you have to find. Find the volume or find the capacity. So use the volumes formula and find it. But this particular question, the density of the metal is given 7.8 gram. Find the mass of the shot put. Clear? So how will you find the mass? After finding the volume, you should multiply with the 7.8. Clear, children? Okay. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do it. Why can't you turn on your videos, children? I'm getting the message that you will start the video later. Why can't you turn on your video? Okay, children, did you get the answer? Hello? Anybody got the answer? Hello, children? Sean
I'm
got the
doing.
answer. Only Sean is showing the hand to me. Okay? Let me try. So volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 4.9, right? 4.9 into 4.9 into 4.9. So cancel this 7, only this we can do 0.7. Correct? And it is, do the calculation, children. Is it 493?
Yeah, ma'am, 493.0053.
Yes, yes. Nearly you're right. Nearly means 493 itself. Enough. Okay. Then what you have to do is you have to find mass of the short put. Mass of the short put is equal to Mass of the shot put equal to 493 into 7.8 gram. Find the answer.
Ma'am, 3,845.
Yes. 3,845.44 gram equal to, I'll make it kilogram, 3.84544 kilogram. Make it as kilogram. Okay, children. Again, next question. I'm going to raise it. Next question is, how many liters of milk? Question number 2. How many liters of milk? How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? See children, diameter is 10.5. Diameter is 10.5. So radius you just write 10.5 by 2 because this 105 is a multiple of 7. Clear children? 105 is a multiple of 7. So you can divide that 10.5 by 7. So will you do it? Do. And last we will share the answers. Yes, children, I'll read the absentee's name. Alnaros. Alnaros is absent. Jesslyn. Fagad Sheikh. Fagad came. Karthik. Justin came.
Ma'am.
Justin is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Minha. Minha is present. Sriram. Okay. Absentees are Sriram, Jesslyn, Fagad, Alnaros. Okay, children, did you get the answer? Hello, children, did you get the answer? Okay. Volume of a hemisphere. Volume of a hemisphere is, what is the formula?
By 3 pi r cube.
Yes, 2
2
by
by
3 pi r cube. Then 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is, we'll write 10.5 by 2 itself. Okay, so that we can cancel these 2 and all. 2, then 7. Yes. Shall I cancel this 7 and 10.5? How many
Yes, ma'am.
times, children?
1.5.
1.5, right. Correct. Now, this 2 and this 2 cancelled. This 2 and 22 is 11. Now, anything? So,
3 and 1.5.
Yes. 3 and 1.5 is?
0.5.
0.5. Now anything more? No. So, nothing. So 11 into 0.5 into 10.5 into 10.5 divided by 2. Clear, children? And the answer is it 303 something? Hello, children, is it 303? 303 nearly, centimeter cube nearly. So maybe some variations are there. Okay. And centimeter cube into liters. So 0.303 liter. Okay. Shall I raise the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And our next question is question number 4. Question number 4. Find the volume of a of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter cube. Okay. So find the volume of a sphere. Sphere's formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Listen, children. Volume of a sphere is, what is the formula?
4 by 3 pi r cube.
4 by 3 pi r cube. But where is radius here? Radius is not given. How to find radius? Something is given here. What is this?
Yeah.
Surface area.
Surface area. Surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere. What is the formula? Forgot? Sphere surface area. Yes, yes, yes. Turning the pages. 4 pi r square. Clear? 4 pi r square. Yes, children, that is given. 4 pi r square is given as 154 centimeter cube. Now from here we will get the answer. R, radius. Okay, so 4 into 22 by 7 into r square equal to 154. Okay, now r square equal to 154 into 7 by 4 into 22. That is the procedure. Division will come as the multiplication, and on the top multiplication will come down as a division. That is the procedure. You should study this. Now children, any number is there to cancel? Just check. Check, check.
22 and 154.
22 and 154. How many times? Wait, children, let me divide with 2. You will understand. With 2, 7, 77. Now, okay. 11 into 7 times. Okay, now listen here. It is 7 into 7 by 4. Did you see that? 7 into 7 by 4. No need of doing the calculation. Listen to me. Listen to me. Here, let me split that 4 as 2 into 2. I split that 4 into 2 into 2. Clear, children? This 4 is 2 into 2. Now, 7 into 7 by 2 into 2. Let me try this as 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Is it correct? Is it correct, children? Is it correct? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay? Shall I proceed now?
Yes, ma'am.
It is 7 by 2 whole square. Okay, children? This is r square. So there is a very easy method to find r. R square is 7 by 2 whole square. Then what is r? R square is 7 by 2 whole square. See children, I'll explain it once again. 7 into 7 by 4. I split this as 4 as 2 into 2. Clear? And I splitted this as 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. That is 7 by 2 whole square. Now what is r? If r square is 7 by 2 whole square, what is r?
Root of 7 by
7 by 2.
2.
7 by 2.
Ma'am,
7 by 2. R square is 7 by 2 whole square. Like this. R square is 9. That is r square is 3 square. What is r here? What is r?
3.
3. Same way. So r is 7 by 2. Okay. Now can you find volume? Volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. See how we cancel it easily.
Ma'am, is the answer 179.6?
Yes. 179. Yes, yes. 179.6, correct?
Ma'am.
Okay.
From 179.6.
Yes, yes. 179.6. Okay, children, did you get the answer? All of you? All of you? Okay, children. And one more period is there for us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will continue it. So thank you. Let me wind up the class. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.